Hey, True Lose Zone fam. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things weight loss and fitness. If you're ready to shed those extra pounds, feel amazing, and build a healthier you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to lose weight and get fit fast with practical science-backed tips you can start using today. So, grab a water bottle, get comfy, and let's jump in. Oh, and if you love what we're doing here, please subscribe to True Lose Zone and hit that like button to help us spread these life-changing tips. Let's do this. First, let's get one thing straight. Weight loss is about creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. It's not just about eating less. It's about eating smart and moving your body in ways that work for you. According to studies, sustainable weight loss happens when you combine a balanced diet, regular exercise, and small lifestyle changes. Crash diets? They might work short-term, but 95% of people regain the weight within a year. So we're focusing on strategies that last. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to make this fun and doable. Let's talk food, because you can't out-exercise a bad diet. Tip number 1, prioritize whole foods. Think lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu, complex carbs like sweet potatoes or quinoa, and healthy fats like avocados or nuts. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that diets high in protein and fiber keep you fuller longer, reducing cravings. Aim to fill half your plate with veggies. They're low-calorie and packed with nutrients. Tip 2. Watch portion sizes. Use smaller plates or track your meals for a week to get a sense of your portions. Apps like MyFitnessPal make this super easy. And don't skip breakfast. A protein-packed breakfast, like eggs with spinach or Greek yogurt with berries, can reduce snacking later, per a 2018 study. Last, stay hydrated. Drinking 8-10 glasses of water daily boosts metabolism by up to 30% for a short time, according to research. So sip that H2O. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to True Lose Zone for more game-changing advice. We're just getting started. Now, let's talk exercise. You don't need a fancy gym to get fit. Your body is your best equipment. Tip rojas de los mejores ejercicios para quemar grasa son los de alta intensidad, como HIIT, High Intensity Interval Training. A 2019 study in the sports medicine showed HIIT burns fat faster than steady cardio, and you can do it in just 20 minutes. Try this. 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of push-ups, 30 seconds of squats. Repeat 5 times. Tip 2. Find movement you love. Dancing, cycling, yoga, or even brisk walking. Consistency beats perfection. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, per the CDC. And don't forget strength training. Lifting weights or doing body weight exercises twice a week builds muscle, which burns more calories at rest. Pro tip, start small. Even 10 minutes a day adds up. Apps like Nike Training Club have free guided workouts to keep you motivated. Weight loss isn't just diet and exercise. Your lifestyle matters. Hack number 1, prioritize sleep. A 2021 study in sleep found that less than 7 hours of sleep messes with hunger hormones, making you crave junk food. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Hack 2, manage stress. Chronic stress spikes cortisol, which can lead to belly fat storage. Try meditation or deep breathing for 5 minutes a day. Apps like Calm can help. Hack 3. Plan ahead. Prep meals on Sundays to avoid fast food traps. And track your progress. Not just weight, but how your clothes fit or how strong you feel. Celebrate non-scale victories, like climbing stairs without huffing. All right, True Lose Zone fam, that's your roadmap to losing weight and getting fit. To recap, create a calorie deficit with whole foods, stay active with exercises you enjoy, get enough sleep, manage stress, and plan ahead. Small, consistent changes are the secret to big results. You've got this. If you loved this video, drop a comment below. Tell me your favorite tip or share your fitness goals. And don't forget to subscribe to True Lose Zone and smash that like button to join our community of health warriors. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Check out our playlist for more weight loss tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay true, stay fit, and let's make those gains the healthy kind.